Alright friends, let's talk about encapsulation. So what's encapsulation in Java? Encapsulation is a key concept in object-oriented programming. It means binding data, variables, and methods that operate on the data into a single class. So we define all variables, all methods inside the class. So we use getter and setter functions to keep our data safe from outside and to make our class a self-contained, reusable unit. For example, I have class like languages. So I come here and I define a name. So I use private keyword because I just want to access inside the class. I say private and then string name. Alright. So let's write a setter function. So I say, I delete display, I say set name, set name. Alright. So it takes one parameters. I come here, I say string new name. Alright. So what I need to do? I need to assign this name variable, this name property. So that's why I delete this. I use this keyword for reaching the object and then I assign to name variable what I assign to new name, which is my parameter here. I'm sending this. Alright. So let's write our getter function. I come here, I say public and then I return back a string. So that's why I write string. I say get name. So it will not take any parameters. And I return, I'm using this keyword for reaching the object, this dot name. That's all. So let's use it. I come here and then what I need to do, I need to create an object using this language class. So that's why I copy this. I say language and then length equals to new language. Alright. So let's use this setter function. What's my object name? Length. I use dot keyword and then I use set name method and then I am sending Java, for example, as an argument. Alright. So let's print this Java. How can I print? I'm sending this Java. You see right now the name is Java. So I'm using getter function. So inside the main function, I come here, I say system.out.println and then what I need to do, I need to use this getter function. I use get name. Alright, let's run it. You see Java appears on the screen. So this is an example of encapsulation. You see, I define class variables as private and I provide access through public getter and setter methods. I can use it as you see. I can't do anything using this class. So this is one of the clean code practices. See you in the next lesson.